You want to know? So here we go. This is a great food kitchen scale. It's from Etekcity and it makes meal prep and baking really simple and precise. So it has 5 different units, which includes the grams, the ounces, and milliliters, and weighs up to 11 pounds in 1 gram increments. So that's perfect for keto or cooking or portion control. And I like that it has a tare function. That's a game changer because it lets me easily subtract container weight for accurate measurements. I love the stainless steel surface because it's easy to clean and it's a really compact, thin design, so it fits super easily in your drawer or on your kitchen counter. I love the backlit LCD screen because it's clear and it's easy to read, and it comes with AAA batteries, which it means it's ready to go right out of the box. This is very useful. I really like this scale, and now you know.